Hey folks, I'm back again. Was this 2 times in a row in 1 week? Yeah, I know, surprised myself. Anyhow, what am I doing today? Really nothing. What is today? I think today's Wednesday. I lose track of time. All the days are starting to run together. I believe it's Wednesday. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here hanging out today. Beautiful sunny day, super hot. The heat's back. I mean, it is summer in the mid, or am I in the mid south? I think I'm in the central. Either way, it's hot. That's all that matters. Not much has changed in 2 days. Still, working, getting prepared for my little trip. Yep. There was something I can't remember. My memory's already this bad. I dread when I get in my 60s. I won't. I'll do, yeah. Alright, but anyhow, thought I'd give you a quick, like a re-update of my van tour. I've got so much stuff packed in here. I've got to start getting rid of some things. I wouldn't say I'm a pack rat, but I'll have something say, oh, I could use that later, so I'll shove it in a hole somewhere. I've got to get this place cleaned up. Start getting rid of some things. Let's see, let me start over here in the front. I'm going to try to make this real quick. As you know, that's my microwave. This is just a cord going to that fan right there. That's all that is. That's been there before. Got my refrigerator. Now this is, you can't really see that light shining right there. That's my side doors. This is my little kitchen area. My little 2-burner propane stove with my handy dandy 3-drawer. Used to be a toolbox, 3-drawer toolbox. Now it's my pantry. I got oh yeah. I've been messing around with all these TVs. I finally got rid of that big one. He finally got it. But now I've got me this little, it's already dirty. Hard to open with one hand. I bought me this little DVD player. It's a 10-inch screen, nothing massive. It does the job. The reason I started using that, because I only got to charge it one time. I'm trying to put it back up here. It's hard to do with one hand. I only got to charge it one time. Get your hand out of the way. It ain't a constant drain on my batteries is what I'm trying to say. My mind ain't working. I charge it once. Most time I charge it up front off my inverter as I'm driving somewhere to store or whatever. My sinus is acting funny today too. But yeah, and it lasts, I don't know. Well, I can watch 3 or 4 movies and it ain't dead, so that's at least, 4 hours, 5 hours before I charge it again, As opposed to them 2 TVs is a constant drain on the battery source. That there has its own battery, And I still got that little one I got, that little DVD player. I forgot how big it was. 13-inch, I think. I've got it put underneath the bed now. I ain't gonna drag it out. But and I kept it. Because, I get close to certain towns, I like to watch the local news or local channels. And, of course I can't do it on that. But anyway, yeah, I got that. So the refrigerator and microwave, man, I need to clean that microwave. I don't know where all this dust comes from. I just wiped everything down yesterday. But anyhow, microwave and refrigerator, all that's the same. I feel like I got to sneeze. I didn't change that. I just rewired a few things there. But of course, my little fan. I love that thing. I got it on right now. Then, I got a little stove and a 3-drawer toolbox pantry. And I'm having me a Coke with, well, it's going to be backwards, Coke with the Coach today. I don't drink many of them, but every now and then I do. And then we got my sink / bathroom, whatever else you want to call it. I still haven't stained it, I know. I said I was waiting for warm weather where I could open the doors and stain it. If you don't know me by now, you never will. It will get stained. I just don't ever do it when I say I'm going to. But then I just got my random junk. A little mirror up here. This is my little LED light I use. Electric can opener. My big cup I drink out of most of the time. Just cleaning stuff, you know, my Dawn. Some air freshener. You know, just random junk. Everybody's got it. I keep a few hats over here. Of course, I got another light up there. I got lights all over. Them Christmas lights you see, them white ones, they're unhooked. I don't use them no more. I just haven't got around to taking them down. I'm going to. I think I'm doing away with them. They was alright. They worked good. It just wasn't efficient, I guess you could say. They're coming down. I just haven't got around to it. But then back here, we got my big pile of dirty clothes. Today's laundry day. I'm going to try to get it done today. You see right here, I'm touching it, but you can't see it. That's my little spray bottle that I put the, you know, house nozzle on from my sink. And of course, we got my bed I'm sitting on. We got the back window open. Them curtains are coming down. That's my, what I call my wintertime setup. Again, I haven't gotten around to taking them down. I will. I'm going to take them down, fold them up, put them away. My little dresser. Of course, I've got this corner junked up again. Got my shower bag and whatnot all jammed up in there. Then that new light I just bought, my little chandelier. See the little chain over there? It's supposed to hang straight down, but it's too long to do that in here. But it works great. Panels up on the roof. Over here, this is just a little shelf I threw up one day. I mean, a long time ago. I just needed something to throw my pants on, you know, work clothes or whatnot. So I just threw something together real quick, you know, like 5-minute deal. It's just a pine board with some brackets. And I put a bungee across it. You see this orange thing. And I'm the type of, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it's working, just do it. So that's what I've been doing. That thing's been there, man, probably a year, I don't know, year and a half, something like that. It serves the purpose, works fine, so I just left it. Now I am going to put, you know, a little lip on here, a little side. Just, you know, once again, haven't got around to it. And that's some more of my so-called winter setup. I got windows here. I don't know, I may just leave them up. I don't know just yet, but I may. I don't ever use them windows anyway. I don't have screens for them. And I got them blacked out, so. And they don't open very far. They only open like 2 or 3 inches, so. You know, I may just leave that up, just kind of hide all that. And I'm thinking about, if you can see this paneling right here, there's a window behind it. I'm thinking about, let's get turned around here. I don't know this yet. I'm thinking about cutting out probably a 12 or 12 inch hole there in that paneling. That way light from that window can come in and I can see out. But then again, that's going to let more heat come in, you know, from the sun. So, I'm going to have to think on that one. I don't know. I would like to have a window there where I can see out. I just don't know if I want to. I mean, if I cut a hole there, I can cover it up. You know, I can put some kind of picture or something out. I'm just thinking, you know, something over it. I could do that, but I just don't know if I want to cut a hole there. I want the window. I want the view. I just don't want the hole. So that's kind of a tough decision on that one. Yeah. I don't drink very many of them. I bought a 12 pack like 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, something like that. It's been quite a while. I still got like 7 left, so you know I don't drink very many. But it was just, I got up this morning and it was just way too hot to make coffee. You know, start the little stove and everything. I said, well, I'll just have me a Coke. You know, it's all about the same anyway. It's all bad for you. So my sinuses are driving me nuts today. There's a lot of dust in the air. Had a storm come through last night, so I think that's what did it. But other than that, everything's about the same. I think I mentioned last time, I use these, if I can get, whoa, make you dizzy on it. There's my little fan again. I use these blue aqua tainers. I got 2 of them. There's 7 gallons a piece, I think. So that's 14 gallon, and I got a little 5-gallon water bottle. You know, like seen them like in the office deal. They turn upside down and sit on there, and you get cold water. I've got one of them, which is 5 gallon. So I can roughly carry 20 gallon already. I buy my drinking water. I don't drink none of this water. It's supposed to be safe to drink, but I don't. For one reason, it sits in these jugs, plastic jugs, and I don't know, it gets like stale, stagnant. And I just don't, I don't drink it. I buy my drinking water. This is just mainly for washing up, doing dishes, cleaning in here, or whatever. So it lasts quite a while. It'll last, I don't know. I never really timed it, but usually about 7 to 10 days, sometimes 2 weeks. It just depends, varies, but at least 10 days at least. But what I'm wanting to do, I've been looking at Tractor Supply and places like that, and they got some tanks that are long and flat, not very high, but they're long. They're made for spraying chemicals and whatnot. The plastic tanks. I want to try to find one that fit underneath my bed, or maybe go widthwise of the van in the very back, a 20 or 25 gallon. More than likely just 20, because that's a lot of weight, And then keep these 2 blue ones, or maybe just one of them. So that'd be, 27 gallon. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I haven't found the right tank that I think will work for me, but I want to make it where I can fill it up from outside, and I'm gonna put me an electric pump in there for my sink and whatnot. And I think I mentioned, but I'm gonna make me a black tank for the toilet. I don't know. The toilet's got one of them little hand things on it. I don't think I'm gonna try to plumb water to it. Just for flushing. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't know. I may get bored one day, come up with an idea, but I doubt it. That's just a lot of hassle for nothing, But I do want to get the bigger tank. Really, now think about it, I'll be carrying the same amount of water, but I'll have it all in one tank instead of 3 or 4 all scattered around. That way I can put my pump in there, plumb up my sink, get running water. I've got an outdoor shower, but I think I'm gonna keep that little system. It works good. There's no room in here to put a bath or a shower anyway, so. But I'm gonna plumb something. If I had that tank back there, I want to plumb an outdoor shower head, to where I don't have to do the little drip down on you thing. Eco bag, I think is what I got. Which it works fine. Don't get me wrong, but it'd be so nice just to turn a button and have a running shower. Other than that, everything's about the same. Got a little more junk in here. I don't know how I keep collecting. I keep getting rid of stuff, giving things away and throwing things away, but yet it's still piling up on me. So I don't know. I guess I'm going to purge one more time, go through here and decide what I really don't need and get rid of. Seemed like I just did that, but a lot of it's just cluttered. I really don't have as much as it looks like. It's just cluttered. Anybody that lives in a small space, whether it be a small house or mobile home or camper or whatever, a small area will get junked up and dirty very fast. I mean, you got to stay on top of it, keep things clean, put away where it belongs and all that. If you don't, it just becomes a big pile. And that's what I let it keep doing, really. But anyhow, yeah, I think I'm going to end this video right here. It's already 14 minutes. I just wanted to say hello to my aunt. Was kind of sitting around, just got through eating. Excuse me. Thought, why not? Shout out, say hello to everybody. Yeah, I'm excited. August is almost here, or maybe the end of July. I don't know yet, but it's getting close. I'm excited. I'm ready to get out of here. I think Saturday and Sunday it was. I can't remember. I went to Nashville this weekend. I think it was Saturday. Anyway, and then I ventured out pretty good ways Sunday. Stayed in a campsite. It's about 200 miles from where I normally stay, so that's as far as I've been in a long time. I'm back in my comfort zone now, so because I had to go back to work and everything. But yeah, it felt good to get out and get away. I enjoyed it. did a little sightseeing. I mean, you know, I've seen most of it, but it's been a long time since I've seen it. So it was kind of nice. But anyhow, yeah, I'm rambling, so I'm going to end this video right here. Just want to say hello to everybody. Say hello to my aunt. Everything's going good. It's 150 degrees today. I'm burning up, but part of it could be worse. Could be 2 degrees and freezing. So anyhow, I'm going to do some cleaning because I noticed the dust is all over my microwave and everything. Just kind of kick back, do nothing. Well, I got to do laundry today, but other than that, just kick back and do nothing. Yeah, I hope y'all having a great day or night. Appreciate you hanging around. I'm going to finish my Coke, and y'all have a good night and God bless.